It's a privilege for me to be right here beside you hosting the Mr. and Miss SPNHS 2023.
Thank you. I'm happy hosting this event with you as well, Kirby. Indeed, this is the most awaited afternoon for our exquisite candidates. And everyone is excited about this pageant, right?
That's right, Pearl. Our spectators have their own bets on who will win this prestigious pageant. So, let us not prolong the agony of waiting. Let us formally start today's event.
That's right. May we invite everybody to stand to glorify our Almighty God this afternoon. Here is Ma'am Alma S. Hara to be followed by the singing of the Kabayan song.
Inaanyayahan ko lahat kayo at ating gamitin ang pasensya ng Panginoon. Ama, maraming salamat po sa dakilang araw na ipinagkaloob niyo sa amin upang idaos ang Mr. and Miss Foundation ng Sapabato National High School ng may kaligtasan at kagiliwan. Maraming salamat po sa pamunuan ng paaralan, tagapaglunsad, mga guro, mga magulang, mga mag-aaral, mga kaibigan, kamag-anak at mga hurado na nagbigay pagtugon sa programa ito. Sa araw pong ito ay hinihiling po namin na basbasan po ninyo ng kalakasan, kaalaman, lakas ng loob ang bawat kalahok na harapin ang bawat hamon nilang haharapin. Nawa ay baunin ng bawat isa ang karanasan na kamit upang higit na mapaunlad ang kakayahan at potensyal. Itinataas po namin ang mga hurado na gabayan po ninyo sila na mapili ang pinakakarapat-dapat sa titulo na may tatanghal batay sa pamantayang itinakda. Gayon din po, Ama, bigyan po ninyo ng bukas na isip at puso ang bawat isa na tanggapin ang kahihinatnan ng programang ito. Paalalahanan din po ninyo, Ama, ang mga magwawagi na sa buhay ang victory in humility. Magamit ang pagkakataong ito na maging ambassador na mamumuna sa mga advokasya na magiging kapaki-pakinabang sa mga mag-aaral at paaralan. Ang katagumpayan ng gawa nito ay aming binabalik sa tanging mong pangalan bilang tanda ng aming papuri at pasasalamat. Amen.
Please remain standing for the singing of the Nativity song.
Thank
we now be seated.
Formally welcome us in this afternoon event. Here is our beloved and supportive Assistant School Principal to Mr. Daniel B. Sanadan. Let's give him a round of applause.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat, sa sigurado, sa ating pong pulong guro, sa mga parents po ba? Sa mga teachers, students, ito po ang pangalawang araw ng ating selebrasyon ng ating ika-4 na taon bilang sa Pambato National High School. Kayo po ay aking kaus-pusong iniimbita muli para sa ating pageant at search ngayong araw at oras na ito. Enjoy the show!
Thank you, sir, for those encouraging and inspiring words to us.
This program is indeed one of the most awaited and most glamorous events, isn't it?
At this point, let's be entertained by our selected and talented SBNasia students in their electrifying intermission number. Let us welcome the Band 8!
dear students.
Our candidates have changed from typical students to cordial candidates in this pageant. Let us meet them one by one as they introduce themselves and see their shining in the production. With your opening address.
Ladies and gentlemen, the candidates.
Lacson, 13 years old.
Everyone, my name is Alison Caldi Makabanti, 14 years old.
Lawrence Guillermo, 16 years old.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chester Bibra, 14 years old. Maya, kapat agak panapon kaya kayo man. Ya, ako po ay Brian si Santa Teresa, 15 años. Salamat po.
Bling na bling, di pa ganun. 16. Good afternoon, everyone. We are from Jose Maria, 15 years old.
Wow! What a sight, Sebasto! That was awesome!
Definitely. And let us give all the dashing and lovely candidates a big round of applause.
At this juncture, let us acknowledge and introduce the prestigious and respected judges. They will be responsible in deciding who will be the next Mr. and Miss Espionages 2023. To do that honor, let us call Ma'am Lenny M. Haka.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's my honor to introduce our prestigious judges. Our first judge is crowned as the first ever Miss Gay Hoxton in 2018, an advocate of the hashtag Love Local campaign. A theater actor for 6 years at the Center for Learning and Development in Cultural Arts and Sports, or known as CLD-CAS under Uyat Artista. Played different roles and received awards in acting. The first student to give pride at Hoxton College, as he won the title of Flight Attendant Showmanship in 2019 on the celebration of the 6th Pampanga World Tourism Day among 26 different schools in Pampanga and Tarlac. Awarded as the Student of the Year in LTSP Pampanga 2022, or the League of Tourism Students of the Philippines, Pampanga, as he organized a successful first International Tourism Collegiate School, a consistent honor student from elementary up to college. Graduated in 2022 with a BS degree in tourism management and the first student to receive an outstanding student award at Hobson College. He worked as a travel consultant in one of the most well-known airline Emirates. Now, he is the president of the LGBTQIA+ in his barangay and the official pasarela and Q&A trainer of Miss Dolores in Mabalacat. Let us put our hands together for Mr. Luis Tamao. For our second judge, he is the operations manager at REI District LLC, former lead manager, transaction coordinator at Silver Creek Capital LLC, Bachelor of Science in Aircraft Electronic Technology 2023, former president of SIUALA Coral Group, former Vice Chairperson of Center for Learning in Development in Culture, Arts, and Sport. Former member of Uyat Artista, an award-winning theatrical group in Pampanga. A member of Rotaract Angeles. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Mr. J. Andre Hipolito. Charles is a human resource manager at #Vegas, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, a former member of CLD CAS Actors Guild, former member of Uyat Artista, an award-winning theatrical group in Pampanga. He is also a member of Rotaract Angeles, a commercial model. She is also a Miss Teen Sapang Maysak 2016 first runner-up. It's Showtime Sexy Babe semi-finalist. Miss Universe Philippines Pampanga 2023 candidate. Entrepreneur, owner of Calidad Sense and PhilMed Pharmacy, CLZ. An advocate of youth empowerment in boosting self-esteem. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Miss Sarah Bagrit. Our fourth judge is a graduate at City College of Angeles with a Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education. He was also the Gideon King of Barangay Santa Cruz Fora, a supermodel runway Fora, and the second runner-up at Rampa 3G. Let's welcome Mr. Jovan Season Carlo. Our last but not the least fifth judge, he graduated at Don Honorio Ventura State University with a Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. He was also the Supermodel Fora 2023 Tourism. Mr. and Miss Fora National High School first runner-up in 2018. Let's give a round of applause for Mr. Marvin Angeles Beleno.
Thank you, Ma'am Lenny, and thank you as well, dear judges, for unselfishly lending your precious time with us today.
I'm sure we and these candidates wants to know how they will be judged accordingly. So, the official criteria for judging for today's pageant will be read by Ma'am Jenny Di Maruco.
So for our search for Mr. and Miss SBNHS 2023 Mechanics, the competition is open to all enrolled students of Sapang Bato National High School. Each Each grade level should be represented by both male and female candidates. Each candidate is permitted to have one handler to assist with makeup and attire preparation. Each candidate will compete in the following categories: headdress, summer wear, casual wear, formal attire, and question and answer. The judge's decision stands as final and irrevocable. Criteria for judging: creative headdress 15%, casual wear 15%, summer wear 15%, formal attire 15%, beauty and personality 20%, wit 20% for a total of 100%.
Thank you, Ma'am Jenny. Alright, since we've already presented our panel of judges and the criteria for judging, let us not keep our audience waiting. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the candidates of Mr. and Miss SPNHS 2023 in their casual wear.
Can I have your attention, please, for one more time? She tastes like cola. She can't stop your body. Stop your diet, come on, do it for me. I love you, well, it's just that sexy. She tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She took me up at night, it's all because she tastes like cola. Sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She took me up at night, and it's all because she tastes. Can I try it, baby? You have to be shy. You seem to be on your own, and I'm wondering why. Show me all that you got. Do it for me. Do it for me. Tastes like Can I have your attention, please, for one more time? She tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. She tastes like cola. Sweet, sweet sugar. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night and it's all because she can't stop me right. I love you perfectly. Stop your diet, come on, do it for me. Do it for me. I love you round, 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 'cause you're so sexy. Yes, she is. She tastes like cola. Sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night and it's all because she tastes like cola. Sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night and it's all because she can't. Can I try it, baby? You have to be shy. Show me all that you got. Do it for me. Do it for me. I love you right, 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 'cause you're so sexy. She tastes like cola. Sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night. She tastes like sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night and it's all because she tastes. Sugar daddy, you're my sugar queen. With every sip I take that, you give it to my brain. You are a sweet cola, you push like coffee. I wanna know the secret that no one's ever seen. She tastes like cola. Sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night and it's all 'cause she tastes like cola. Sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night and it's all because she tastes like cola. She tastes like cola. Sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night and it's all because she can't stop your diet, baby. You don't have to slim down. I love you perfectly, it is every man. wanna try it, baby, you have to be shy. Don't be shy. You seem to be show me all that you got. Do it for me. Do it for me. I love you round, 'cause you're so sexy. She tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me stop your diet, come on. She tastes like
They are absolutely